In this video, I'm sharing the top social media marketing strategy you need to be using if you want to algorithm-proof your business. It is no secret. On every platform, the algorithms are changing all the time. And if you are so tired of feeling like your business is at the mercy of the social media platforms you use to grow it, I am here to help. Hey there, I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we help female entrepreneurs create a laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent, repeatable revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Social media is amazing. It produces an equal opportunity for every entrepreneur to build an audience of ideal clients and customers by creating content that solves problems. It's magical. We love and use social media in our business every single day. But here's the thing. We don't like trusting our entire business to algorithms and platforms that we have no control over. Plus, showing up on social media every day, hustling to get sales, isn't just exhausting, it kind of feels yucky. And instead, we like to show up authentically on social media, sharing content we love and that our audience will find valuable while trusting that our lead generation and selling systems are working for us behind the scenes. Not to mention, social media is unpredictable to say the least. And I'm not just talking about algorithms. Let me explain. A couple of years into our business, we had a pretty solid social media presence with over 30,000 followers. Not massive, but pretty good. But then our account got hacked and we literally lost our entire social media presence overnight, and we were never able to recover it. This hasn't just happened to us. One of our clients, Melanie, had a similar thing happen to her. Her Facebook account was completely hacked. She lost her entire friends list and the entire Facebook group she had been using to build her business for over 2 years. And she had to start over completely from scratch. When you rely solely on social media to grow your business, it's like building a house on rented land. It could disappear at any moment or be completely disrupted by an algorithm change that is completely out of your control. We want to help make sure that that never happens to you, or if it does, that your income doesn't suffer, which is why the most important social media marketing strategy you can be using right now is to build an email list. The best time to start building an email list was yesterday, but the second best time is today. And if you don't quite believe me just yet, here are 5 reasons why. First and foremost, you own your email list. Social media platforms come and go, but email has stood the test of time. You can export and import your list into any email marketing platform you want, keep a backup on your hard drive, and that list can never be taken away from you. When it's built right, your email list is the most important and most valuable asset your business owns. Secondly, audience reach with email vastly outnumbers social media. When you post on social media, you can assume 1 to 2% of your followers will see that post on average. It's a really good post, you might get 5%. But when we send an email out to our list, we can guarantee that at least 20% of our subscribers won't just see the email in their inbox, but will actually open and read it. And 5% of our subscribers will actually follow through on the call to action in our email by clicking on the link we include inside. Third, email subscribers are more loyal to your brand than social media followers. While following someone or a business on social media is a very public thing to do, communicating with someone in your inbox feels very intimate. Instead of talking to tens of thousands of people, in email, you get to talk to your audience one-on-one. Even if your email goes out to tens of thousands of people, which ours usually do, the conversation is happening one-on-one with your subscribers inside their inbox. This creates know, like, and trust, which is important for converting sales. Fourth, you can use email to increase your traffic whenever and wherever you want to, whether it's a social media platform, your website, a free webinar, a masterclass, a workshop, a flash sale, or a sales page, or even to a specific post or video within a platform. It's almost like hacking the algorithm. For example, each week when we release this new YouTube video on our channel, like the one you're watching right now, we have a pre-scheduled email that goes out to our list the very same time. Why? Because YouTube rewards videos that get more views in the first 24 hours. And we know by sending an email out to our subscribers, we can drive traffic and increase the organic reach of any video on our channel. We also do this to instantly boost the number of live and replay viewers on our live videos that we do on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial of how to use this strategy to 10x your live video views on Instagram, check out this video. And finally, number 5, increased sales. We all want that, right? Reports are showing again and again that when it comes to converting sales in your business, email wins. Email is 40 times more effective for securing new sales than Facebook and Twitter combined. And for every dollar you spend growing your email list, you can expect an average return of $42. For our business, we know that over 96% of our sales come from email, which is great because when we lost our social media presence overnight, that meant that our revenue didn't skip a beat and actually continued to climb month after month. So how do you take email and combine it with your social media marketing? You want to start by getting super clear on who you help and how you help them. We did a whole video around this, which I will link for you in the description below. Once you're clear on that, create a freebie funnel to start growing your email list. A freebie funnel is a free downloadable resource you deliver to your audience in exchange for their name and email. From there, create consistent content on your social media platforms that is inspirational, educational, and entertaining to your ideal clients and customers. Within that content, use your freebie as a call to action. We promote our freebie in our bio and include it as a CTA in 90% of our posts on Instagram. We also have it in the announcement post of our free Facebook community and include a link to it every time we do a welcome post where we welcome new group members. We put it in the description of our YouTube videos and we mention it at the end of every single one. And of course, we talk about it a lot inside of our Facebook and Instagram stories as well, sharing testimonials and creating social proof. For us, the goal of our social media marketing is always to get our content in front of more eyeballs so we can then capture and convert them into email subscribers and customers. And when you have your freebie funnel set up correctly, it won't just generate leads, but will actually work to generate sales and signups on autopilot for you as well. Of course, social media also plays a huge role in nurturing your audience and creating social proof. Remember, while email is very intimate, social media is very public. This is where your audience gets to connect with you, get value from you, and see inside your world. These are all such important things while building a personal brand and marketing on social media. Okay, that's all I got for today. I hope this video got you really excited about leveling up your email marketing game or adding this component to your business if you haven't done so yet. We see so many entrepreneurs out there hustling for leads and sales when they could be spending more of their time having authentic connections on social media while feeling confident that their email marketing systems are doing the lead generation and selling for them behind the scenes. If you want to see the entire step-by-step blueprint we use to go from social media nobodies with no audience and no influence to hitting $300,000 in sales with our business in just 10 months, then I invite you to join us for our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. This 60-minute on-demand training will show you how to combine the powers of social media and email marketing to create consistent, repeatable revenue in your business, even if you're starting from scratch. You can check it out at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I will link it for you below as well. If you want to see the email marketing funnel we used when launching our business, check out this video. This funnel generated $88,523 in sales for our business that came in on autopilot without us having to prospect or sell in DMs. This is the power of an email list, and we break it all down for you right there. Just don't forget to also hit that subscribe button before you go so that you'll be notified the next time we release a new training like this on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.